Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Divi Builder for elegant UI/UX sections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Divi Builder, visit the Elegant Themes website. On the home page, locate the Get Divi button. Click on it to proceed to the pricing page. Review the available plans and choose the one that suits your needs. Click on the Sign Up button for your selected plan. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Once you've completed the form, click on Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your inbox for the email from Elegant Themes. Open the email and click on the verification link. After verifying your email, log in to your Elegant Themes account. Navigate to the Download section in your account dashboard. Locate the Divi Builder option and click on the Download button. Save the Divi Builder zip file to your computer. Next, log in to your WordPress website. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. Select Upload Plugin and choose the Divi Builder zip file you just downloaded. Click on Install Now to initiate the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. You can now access the Divi Builder from your WordPress dashboard. To create a new page, go to Pages and select Add New. Click on the Use Divi Builder button to start building your page. Explore the various UI/UX sections available within the Divi Builder. Choose a layout that fits your design vision. Customize the sections by clicking on them to reveal editing options. Adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and spacing according to your preference. Preview your changes regularly to ensure everything looks as intended. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your page live. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and created elegant UI/UX sections with Divi Builder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.